Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base faucet website. You can claim your free Solana from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website pay your Solana. First of all, put your faucetpay email address, or you can put your faucetpay wallet address of Solana, but email address is very good. Just click login. Solve this captcha is too easy, just click it. It's draft, just click the draft available in this picture, okay, and just click verify. Come down and just click verify captcha. Okay guys, now you can see this website send me my situation instantly. After solving the captcha, this website send you, and I come down in here. I show you the withdrawal proof of this website. You can see this website send me my situation instantly to my faucet. But thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.